Mister, what are you telling Daddy? Mr. Boo Boo.
Monsieur. Monsieur. Monsieur, what do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Okay, alright. Tell me what you want. How bad? How bad do you want it? How bad do you want it?
It's so bad. We're gonna have a piece of that chicken in the fridge. Mr. Daddy's gonna get you something really special. Go get it for him.